folks, treehouse folks, DIY enthusiasts, and homesteaders. This is part 2 of the floating sauna. And last time we got the base set up, we got our pentagon base and insulated and put the boards on, and now we're ready to start with the sides. So let's pick it up from there.
Next thing we're going to be doing is putting our studs up in the corners and in the middle. So I got to cut my studs, and I want to cut them so that they're natural looking on the inside, natural wavy edge, because you're going to see that. And but they're going to be flat on the back part, and they have to be, you know, 1.5 inches thick or so. So I have some poplar here that I had sawn up last year, the year before, and so they're big wide ones. So what I'm going to do is I snap some lines. I left 5.5 inches in the middle, so that I'll end up having a 5.5 by 1.5 inch 2x6 left over that I could use at some other date, and then I'll have these nice wide ones, nice wavy edge 4 to 6 inch pieces on the side, and that'll be just about right. I had a little trouble with the angles. This is out of my comfort zone. I'm not very good with the math and everything, so it's all kind of hand and eye. I wanted it to come right up through the center there with the stovepipe, because from a distance I wanted it to look organic, the way something would come out of the center and not out of a side. There was multiple compound angles, like the cuts on the backs here, so that the boards could meet from both sides, and then definitely the cuts at the bottom. And the cuts at the top, cuts everywhere. There was a lot of angles. It was kind of out of my comfort zone. But I toughed it out and cobbed it together. And so it worked out, more or less. I've got the rafters coming down. I've got a joist coming across. And then all the rafters come to a central pentagon box that I made, because I want to have the stovepipe, which is going to be right over here in the corner. The stove is going to be here. It's going to come up, and the stovepipe is going to go right through the center, because I wanted that to, for aesthetics. You see the stovepipe just coming right out of the top here. Next thing is going to be putting my roof boards on, and then I'll put my bubble wrap insulation on that and the walls, and then I can put the door in here, and then it'll be all closed in. Well, we'll keep going with the project. Next episode, we'll continue on. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support, and liking and subscribing helps me keep producing these videos. So stay tuned next time, and we'll keep going with the floating sauna.